Alrighty, y'all. Now we're just going to use this easy backset marker, which is my preferred way of doing things. And we have a beveled door. So on a beveled door, you're going to always cut from the high side, which means on this particular one, you can see this is L shape, and when we put it against the door, it sticks off. That means it's beveled this way, so that means we're going to drop it. That means that we're going to start our cut on the high side of the door. So we're going to mark it here and then break through with the hole saw bit. The other doors here are 6-inch centers, so that's what I'm going to do, even though I don't like, oh, hey, 6-inch centers. That's what I'm gonna do. You do what you gotta do to make it match, right? So then I'm gonna just put a little mark right in the middle of the door at 6 inches. No biggie. And this has, depending on how thick the door is, you may have to go from this side, or you may have to go from the underside. And on this particular one, it centers out. Let me show you what I'm talking about. There, how it's off center on the bottom. That's if it was an 1 3/8 door, but you would do it here if it was a thinner door. But that's not center to the door, which is like right in kind of this area. And on some doors, it still does not totally center correctly, so I'll go ahead and mark it where it needs to be, and then come back over here. Yep, and then holding it at that mark. I'm gonna mark 2 3/8 because the doorknob is 2 3/8. 2, yep. 2 3/8, 2 3/8. That is centered, so no big deal. And then we're gonna get our safety goggles and our drill bit. For this one, since we're drilling from the inside, we can just close the door. All right. Drilling time. Get my bits, which are gonna be a Milwaukee bulldozer and a Irwin thingamajigger. Okay. Safety goggles. And we're just gonna put it right there. Oh, that's why I hate this Milwaukee. Been used quite a bit, so you know when you're in this area on an 1 3/4 door that you've probably broken through. Break on through. Break on through to the other. Oh, it didn't break through. Okay, well, I guess that's good. Good video. Did it break through that time? Ooh, almost. I think the paint's the only thing holding it. That probably did it. Yep. Okay. Let's move over here. Just like that. Yep. I'm gonna hook my foot behind the door. Push it through. Next, we have the latch hole. Latch hole? What'd you call it? I called you a latch hole. You're a latch hole. Is that it? That's good. Somewhere in there. Somewhere in there. Okay, the latch hole. That's about center. Ah. Next, we're going to mark it for the strike. We do have aluminum. Let me get my other pen for that. I won't use a pencil. I don't like using a pencil for this part. So pen. Yep, and then we're gonna go outside and see where it's marked. Close the door. Make sure your pen's out. And get in there and mark it. Alright, so that's where we're punching through, which we'll go ahead and do. Punching on through, where is it? Right here. Yep, that's good. We need a strike plate there, don't we? Yep, Jason, we do. Yep, I just sharpened that shoulder. This is known as, this is that old metal trim. Looks like we need to go right about here. Yep, to the center, right there. We're gonna go ahead and pop through this sheet metal in the appropriate spots, just like that. Dull your chisel, and then we can drill a hole and mortise the plates. Farewell, edge. Yep. Oh, look, that's perfect. Perfectly above it. Yep. Yep. So now when we're going to get it off, we're going to try to retain at least one of the, maybe. Let's see, you know what we need for this? We need our nip backs, don't we? Yes, we do. I hope my battery didn't go dead on my phone, because it's close. This is definitely sometimes not possible to do. So if it's not, I'll show you the trick to that. And it doesn't seem to be wanting to come out very easily. That's okay. Okay, but we do have to remark the center again. Okay, drop my screwdriver. Yep. Yeah. Found my drill. And on this one, does not have a dust cup, but it does have a security strike. So we need to make sure that goes on as well. And some people insist on doing this, but I'm not going to. Because it's not needed. It's not needed, yo. Alright, next. You're like, oh my god, Jason. It's okay, I'm about to get rid of it. Oh my god, Jason. What the heck's wrong with you? You're a crappy locksmith. Oh, I don't know. We need it right about there. Yep, you're good. You're beautiful. And we'll go ahead and chisel. As long as the phone keeps going. pretty deep. Or the security strut part of this. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Horrible things to the tip of my chisel. Horrible, horrible things. Alright, let's go ahead and get the latch done before my battery goes dead. Probably going to go dead here pretty quickly. I'm not going to be concerned with using a router to do rounded corners on this guy. Not really needed given the state of the property. Considering underneath here is wide open. So, no big deal. By no means is this a historical installation. This is a landlord saying it needs a deadbolt. Please put one on. Make it as cheap as possible. So that's where we're at. Any other time on a fine wood door, you would want to maybe router it. To get those rounded corners. Nope. Yep. Might ask why I don't use a 1-inch chisel. This is a 3/4 inch. And as you can see, I have to do double duty. There's reasons. There are reasons. Those reasons being I just like it better. Just like it better. Okay, you good, you good, you good. You get over here. Yeah. 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 Yep, yep, yep. All right, let's check the fit. Yep, not deep enough. Okay, got a little deeper. Get. Get on there. Okay. Yep. That would probably be good. Voila. And we're going to drill the hole. Okay, Jason, what are you doing? What you doing down here? What am I doing down here? Oh, I dropped the strike screw. Strike screw can be OEM. This is a fresh install. And then lastly, we get to go with the security strike in. Okay, this goes this way, this goes this way, it goes that way, and screws in. We have added a deadbolt to this door, y'all. Yay! No security. Dull drill bit. Alright, next, number 2, 3 Phillips. Just like that. And we need another one. Should have one somewhere. Somewhere. Got it in. There we go. I'll use this one. Okay. We're good. Shouldn't need anything for this. Just a little cover plate. Yep. Okay, you go. All right, that's it, y'all. If you have any questions or comments, post them in the comment section.